So in this particular section, we're going to talk about polylines. Since we've already talked about the line tool, I'm going to show you the difference between the polyline and the line command. So to activate the polyline, you can just hover your mouse around here and double click. The polyline is now active. Let's just draw a simple object. Second point, the third point, the fourth point, and the fifth point. We can just have a simple object. Now we're going to use the line tool. Double click. Then let's have the similar object. All right. Okay, then hit escape. So when you select the polyline, the entire segment gets selected. So it acts as one conjoined element. All right. But when you select the line object, only one segment gets highlighted. So the line tool acts as different segments, while the polyline acts as one segment. And the shortcut tool for the polyline is PL. You can just type anywhere, PL, hit enter. You can see our polyline is activated. And the shortcut command for line tool is L, enter. So that's basically the difference between polyline and the line command. See you in the next section.